Let's start with the pension. You know, it's interesting because people ask us that question all the time. And I'll tell you, here's the secret. If you ask us a question about an IRA and transferring an IRA or investing in an IRA, we can answer that question every time 100%. Why? Because all IRAs are exactly the same. There is no change in the rules. If you have a 401k, we can answer the question almost every time or come very, very close. Why? Because all 401ks are the same. Now, there are some little differences in 401ks, but they're always little tiny differences and not necessarily meaningful. Pensions, on the other hand, pensions are different. Pensions are unique. Each one is different. And a pension is written when the company hires an attorney and says they want a pension, and the attorney just starts typing. And the attorney will continue to type until the company stops paying him. So your pension will be different than the next person's pension, the next person's pension. It's not a question we're getting as often as we used to because there are just plain fewer pensions. So IRAs, 401ks, where most of the money comes from.